friends, today is Sankrant and I'm going to show you all how I'm going to get ready for this occasion. So I've already moisturized my skin before I start off with my makeup. So the product which I used is Lakme Sun Expert. Okay, so next step is I'm gonna moisturize my lips by using this product called Baby Lips by Maybelline New York. Okay. Yeah. So next step is I'm gonna use Skin Primer by Sivana Colors. Okay. Skin primer is used to even your skin. So you have to take small portion of it. We are done with the primer. Then to make your skin little glowy, you have to use this Lakme 925cc. I use a brush for it. You have to put little amount of it on the brush. Then you have to brush it downwards. Little bit on neck also. Make sure you apply it neatly and everywhere. Yeah. So the base is done. So we'll move on to the eyebrows. I have a small mirror over here. I'm gonna look into it. I have little bit thin eyebrows, so I'll have to brush them. Yes, it's pretty easy. So this is a eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire. You have to apply it lightly. Okay. Now I have filled my eyebrows. Now I am going to soften them with this brush. So eyebrows are done. Next I am going to use this kajal by Colosal. Applying kajal can be a bit of difficult task. Applying kajal is done. So I'm gonna use this felt tip eyeliner by Lakme. Okay, since it takes a long time applying eyeliner, I'm gonna do it off camera. I'm done with my eye makeup. So only thing left is applying this mascara by Colosal Maybelline, which is a pretty product. And I've also curled out my lashes with this thing. Okay, I'm gonna use this mascara and be right back. So we are done with the basic eye makeup. I have applied mascara, kajal and liner. Okay, then the next thing is I'm gonna put on eyeshadow on my upper eyebrows. The product that I'm gonna use is Revlon Photo Ready. Okay. So for highlighting, I'm gonna use light colors, which is the mixture of white and pink. Okay. I hope I'm doing all this right because I'm not an expert in this field. So the next product is Lakme 925 eyeshadow. Okay, which I'm going to apply on my eyelids. The color is brownish. Okay.
You have to apply it softly. Okay. Okay.
I've applied the eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna blend it with this fluffy brush. So I've done my eye makeup. I hope it looks presentable. Now I'm gonna use this blush by Miss Claire, and I'll be using this brush. Okay. Okay. Always smile a little bit while applying it to get it right.
Okay.
The makeup is almost done. Just the lipstick is left. I'm gonna use this lip gloss cum lipstick. The product is Elizabeth Arden, New York, and the packaging is super pretty.
Now we'll apply it. So. Yeah. I think we're done.
To add in a little bit of shimmer, I'm gonna use this lip gloss by Lakme Absolute. Okay. Okay. So the makeup is done. I'm just gonna brush my hair and show you the final look in a bit. My hair is a bit dry, so I'm gonna spray some water to just scrunch them like this. Now this side.